How to copy and paste formulas in Excel without changing cell references. So click here and copy by pressing Ctrl C and paste anyway. Ctrl V. Then press enter. Now double click here and paste here. So we can see without changing, we can use a formula here. Just press here Ctrl V and press enter. So you can enter anywhere, and once you will check the reference, so it will appear here. This is a single cell. If you want to make multiple, so select it. Then click on find and replace. Click on replace. In find what equal sign and replace ECA. Then click on replace all. Click on OK. Now copy it. Now close it and again copy all. Now paste anywhere in your Excel file like here. Now here again click on find and replace. Replace and this time here type ECA. And here equal sign. Then replace all. Click on OK. And once we will check the reference, so it's the same. So this is the method you can try.